Good evening, all. Hello, everyone. Again, I'm back to a very sensitive topic, and which is very common and important things in our day-to-day life. What is that? So, I have gone through the recent research of. You can just check that I can just go through these articles, and I just wanted to talk about this. Suddenly it's coming to my mind, so I wanted to tell about this domestic violence. So I'm just wondering why it is happening. What is the needed of domestic violence? Is it necessary to do this? And we are a human. Are you a human who doing this? Then I'm just wondering, after reading articles and after reading different books, different stories, I just wanted to say this to people. Is it really required? And it's not like why it was men beat to women. It's like a domestic violence, not about a man or not about women. So it's in case maybe men, maybe women, it's happening. But common topic is like it's happening with a girl, happening with a woman. Why? It's not like I'm thinking the changes needs between men on our so-called society. Yeah, you will find 100 may say one or two society like this, where they do support their daughter-in-law, they do support their girl child, but it's very difficult to find 100 to 100% in that. So I am wondering why women silence in this topic, and is it our tradition that he's my husband, so I will silence because after this where I will go, what will happen? Is this is a tradition? Then I can say this is a very bad tradition. This tradition should be changed. This is because not only not now, in 1993 first implemented in US rule against domestic violence. Again after 2005 or 6 Indian Parliament 26 October 2006 Indian Parliament given an act in domestic violence other than Jammu Kashmir because they do have their own rules. So I just wake up and I'm in the morning I'm just thinking about the same topic. I'm late night, I'm not able to sleep. Is it required to do the domestic violence? And my dear girls and women, is this like who is doing this one? He's a thief. Who's doing this one? He's a mistaker. But you are silent and you are giving opportunity to doing this repeated. Then you are a big guilty man over there. So I'll tell you one thing in that. Always you maybe think that that my husband who is man, just giving example, who is earning the money, who is the breadwinner of the home, so what he is doing is correct. I have to silent because I am a girl, where I will go, and if I go back to my home, what the society will tell and what my mother and father will tell. And also I have a complaint to the father or mother when the domestic violence is happening. You should support your girl. You should not tell that you have to adjust this and this is our traditional and society. It's not correct. You don't know how he is suffering and how she is in depression and physically, mentally he is harassed and he is going through a different things. Maybe he'll be silent, maybe she will be like irritated. So there is a fear things is there in between women towards society and parents for domestic violence. So teach your son and daughter to be independent, to be self-respect, to be fearless. If you have a self-respect without any reason, if he is beating me or this is not correct, you can talk with me, you can tell me, you can be a friend with me, but you cannot do this thing. And if you feel independent, never you will be allow this thing. And if you are fearless, then you will never fear about this. You have to ask question about this. Why did you do this? So it's not like I am a husband, I can beat. It's the wrong concept. You have to change this concept. I alone cannot change this until everybody take their self a responsibility that I will not at all listen or tolerate the domestic violence, and I will stand against this. If you take responsibility each and every girl, then definitely we can stop this and we will get a good light and hope to in this journey. Instead of that, nothing. You don't have any respect. You don't have nothing importance, and no one is there to support you. Why do you are staying over there? See, every door has been opened. There is an opportunity. You can do this. By the thinking, what I will do, where do I go? See, after that, God is there to sing a new fact. That does not mean you will be silent. Some of the cases people are doing divorce, but ideally this divorce should not be traditionally. We have to change the people's mind instead of doing the divorce. You have to fight with this. Yeah, divorce may be a solution for some of the cases, but I want to change in people's mind so that the divorce percentage will be less and it will be a healthier relationship in between a husband and wife. So in a home, see what kind of impact it is happening. Since domestic violence happen, you will be silent and you will not know to your parents, and when your parents know, they will be like shocked, and your son or daughter is living with you, they are seeing this, they are addicted on this. Either they will be silent, either they will be very rude to you in the future. They might be do the same thing with them in their futuristic genetic, and you will be like frustrated. So many things will happen. It is going through a depression also. Sometimes people lost their confidence, and sometimes they're taking some action like suicide, and like they will kill themselves. It's like a suicide. It's not a suicide, but I can say it's a murder. So you should not upset the domestic violence. We should fight against the domestic violence. We have the rules. We have the rules in India. Everybody is an independent country. Everybody can stay independently. Nobody can take just that I am yours and I can do everything. This is very wrong. This is very wrong. Okay. So I just want to say this, girls, please be wake up. Please be wake up. Be a right person. Be a respected person. Be a freedom woman. Don't be silent in everything. Yes, silent required when it is required. You can be, but when it is overloaded, don't be silent in everything. You do have life to cheer up. You do have life to stay happily. Why do you silence in this case? If you complain today, maybe tomorrow for you the path will be good. If you silent today, tomorrow you are giving the opportunity that person to do once again with me the same wrong thing, which is completely wrong. And last thing, any situation is coming, starting from abusing, starting from domestic violence, starting from child labor, starting from acid attack, starting from rape, and any cases, you have to stand with you. Nobody will come to stand with you. Learn to fight yourself, not in every case where it is required, where you are feeling it's happening wrong. Do fight with us. Maybe in this road you are alone now. In future, you will create a path or example for everyone. You have many examples in this. I have read many things like Mubika Lakshmi Agarwal, and many examples is there. They do fight. Now they are the example of others. So why can't we decide ourselves what I want? It's me. I have authority to decide myself, my own things. Nobody can decide for me. You do this, do this. So please cheer up and don't be silent. See, even if you're not doing the education also, you should not upset these things which is wrong. Once you complain, then that person will think he is objecting this thing. That means something wrong happening. Next time I will do or not. At least he is thinking for a second. So this is what a new thing for him. He might be changed, or he might be not repeated the same thing, and he might be repeated for 2-3 times, then he will stop. If you if you give a one question, why do you do this? This is not correct thing, this is wrong thing. So please guys, stop these things of domestic violence, stop acid attack, stop child labor, stop abusing. So stop these things. That is what the today's topic. If you feel I'm telling good things, any suggestions, any feedback, you can tell me. Thank you. Bye bye.